In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking system in Wix. Wix. We'll start by going to wix.com and signing into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, choose the website where you want to add online booking, then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll connect the booking features to your site and make sure everything looks the way you want. Inside the editor, click Add Apps, sometimes labeled App Market, and search for Wix Bookings. When it appears, click Add to Site. Wix will automatically add the necessary booking pages and widgets for you, which saves a lot of setup time and gives you a solid starting point. Next, open the Wix Bookings dashboard and fill in your business information. This includes your business name, your address if it applies to your services, your contact details, and your time zone. The time zone is especially important because it helps prevent scheduling mistakes, particularly if you offer online services or work with clients in different locations. Once everything is entered, save your settings. After that, go to Bookings and then Services. Click Add New Service and choose the type of service you want to offer, such as an appointment, a class, or a course. Then enter the details for each service, including the service name, description, duration, price, and whether it takes place online or in person. Once that information is complete, save the service. Now it's time to set your availability. Head to Staff or Availability and define your working days and hours. You can also add break times or block out dates when you're unavailable. If your business has multiple team members, make sure to assign the right services to the right staff members so bookings are routed correctly. From there, configure your booking preferences. This is where you decide how far in advance customers can book, how much notice they must give before an appointment, whether you want buffer time between bookings, the maximum number of bookings allowed per day, and your cancellation or rescheduling policies. These settings help you stay organized and protect your schedule. If you want to accept payments during booking, go to Settings and then Accept Payments. Connect a supported payment provider and enable online payments for your services. This allows customers to pay when they book if that fits your business model. Next, customize the booking page so it matches your brand. Add your logo, update the colors and fonts, upload service images, display staff profiles, and include your business policies